Hey, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I'd like to show you how to measure and install stud glides. So welcome to my shop. Alright, so to measure and install these stud glides, let's first remove one of the old caps. Now this one's a little stiff, so let's just use a pair of any kind of pliers. Usually these threaded caps will start moving pretty simply, and we can get those out though. You may need to use pliers though, it happens. So let's get the old one out of there. So what we want to do in order to measure for the right size replacement, measuring this hole and trying to guess those threads is just about impossible. So our best option is to take different size nuts or take them to the hardware store and ask the salesperson to find out what size thread this is so that you can use the right one. We carry these stem or stud glides in 1/4 inch and 5/16. So when I put on a 5/16 nuts, we can see that that's what fits on there correctly. Make sure you thread it on there pretty far so that you know it's not a metric one. I have come across some of these in metrics, which we don't have, and can be pretty tough to find. But if it does happen to be that 5/16, then we'll take that one and we'll use the correct 5/16 replacement that we offer here. That's the 30-412B in this case, and we will just simply take that and install it by threading it into the frame. And that's how you install a stud glide. Thanks for watching.